I got him. There we go, guys, right away. I got a pretty nice creek bass here. He's not bad at all. No, he's not bad at all. Gavin's got one. Let me get him up here. To get these hooks out of his mouth real quick, and I'll show you guys this thing. Got my hole here behind you, so don't drop. Let's step on it. Yeah, there we go, guys. That's a nice, probably 12, 13-inch largemouth to start my day. And we're just getting in here, guys. All right, let's let him go and let's get on some fish today. That's awesome right there. One of the worst parts about creek fishing, guys, is you're trying to enter into a spot and you don't know how soft the ground is. That's what I hate the most. I'm always afraid I'm gonna like jump off into some quicksand, man. That's from growing up in the 80s with Beastmaster, if you guys remember that TV show. Yeah, dude, it's soft. I'm sinking in it. I can't get in here, guys. Way too soft. And that's creek fishing. As soon as I hit the bottom, it just sunk right into it. Slippery rock right there, dude. There's a bass right there. He's not super big. That's a good bass right there. That's a good bass. That's a good bass. Got him. Sight fished him, dude. I watched him come off that ledge over there. That's another one, guys. I switched over to the hellgrammite. This may be the one I seen. I don't know. I could have sworn the one I seen was a little bigger than this guy right here. Yeah, this guy had him a little bitty one. Looks like it may be a largemouth kind of day. Who knows? All right. See you later, buddy. Right under that rock they went. There's another good bass. Oh, there's a bunch of good bass. Oh, got him. Got one of them. There's another one up there, dude, about the same size as this one. Oh, he came off. You got yours. That's not the other one I saw. There's another nice one up there somewhere. Hey, I can't believe I lost mine, dude.
That's a good one you have.
Yeah. You got one of the smaller ones. There was a bigger one up front. I wonder where he went. Because that one there was on the back. The one I lost was on the back. And then there was like 2 or 3 more in the front. But there was one just as big, if not bigger, than the one I had. That one there went darting for it, dude. The one I just caught. I was getting ready to cast again. All right. Back in business now. Oh, he came for it, dude. He came for it. I knew he was going to, and I watched him swim by it and then stop and turn around. Yeah, back to top water. Well, guys, so far the fishing's been pretty rough. We've been able to catch a few bass and a few bluegill here and there. But we are finding them. It's just really nothing downstream. We just went downstream. We're headed back now where we're catching fish at. But man, there are so many bluegill on beds back here. It is insane. We've caught some pretty solid bluegills. We'll probably continue to catch them as we go. I even caught one on the JDM, or not the JDM, but the flat side whopper plopper. Waiting on the GoPro batteries to charge up so we can get moving again. But we're gonna hit these beds for just a little bit, see what we can catch. Got that one. Oh, another one off. I figured he was going to come off though after. Oh. That was awesome. He come flying there through there for it. She caught Gavin a bluegill. There we go, guys. It hasn't been anything big today, but man, they have been a lot of fun. Get back in there, buddy. Got him. Barely got him. Barely got him. Use it like a popper, dude, to get him to hit. There we go, guys. Finally got a good one. I saw him up there, and man, he just come over and slurped that thing just like a popper. He's not bad. For 3 hours? Nah. Now I saw him up here messing with them bluegill, and I brought that popper through there, and he come around and got it. Nah. That first one though seemed like he was pretty decent. God. Oh, nah, he was. He come out of there for it. You see that, dude? Ooh, there we go. One of the nicer sized ones today. Yeah, bridge fish. There we go, guys. A little bitty rinky dink. It was a lot of fun though. Oh, that's a good one. There we go, guys. He come up out of there for it. I mean, this has been a phenomenal tiny creek fishing for a little bitty largemouth. There we go. Hey guys, I think we're gonna move on to another spot. We'll give this guy here a nice little watery release. That's another good one. Not bad. Just a creaking away, folks. Creaking away. Because another one, I don't know how many I've caught like this today, but there is just a ton of them back here like this. See you later, buddy. Enough to where Gavin is now switching over to top water. He's seen enough. All right, guys, that's a wrap on this spot. We're gonna head back to the car. I feel like we have caught what we're gonna catch here without really working these fish over heavy. That's not my style. I just like to speed fish. Come right through here, I catch what's biting. And then when I turn around, I catch what I missed. And then if nothing bit, well, nothing was gonna bite. That's just the way I see it. I know it's a bad way of looking at it, but that's just how I do it. I like to cover as much ground as I possibly can because I'm in it to find out what's just around the corner. And we came over here and we found out what was just around the corner. A bunch of small largemouth, but it was a really good time here. All right, guys, stay tuned. On to the next spot. That's a big one right there. Yeah, we got a big smallmouth right here, guys. I lost him. He went somewhere between us. I lost him in the shadows. That was wicked. Another one right here. Come right off that tire. Got him. That was wicked. Oh, settle down, bro. Here we go, guys. That's a pretty nice little smallie. He comes shooting off that tire. It looked like sitting right there, and I brought that plopper through there, and he didn't notice me. And he took a shot at it. Man. Come here, buddy. All right, guys, that's a beautiful one right there, guys. Caught him on the Trout Tickler open pour worm. Beautiful fish, guys. All right, we're gonna get this smaller up on out of here.